Hi, Lulu. All right, you guys, so this project was a very special one. This one came out very nice. So we did a two-tone gloss charcoal metallic on the bottom end of the car, from the middle to the bottom. So everything from the middle to the bottom, gloss charcoal metallic, looks amazing. Half the portion of the car on top is black gloss PPF, and it came out very nice. Also, we have illuminated emblems that always light up with ignition, which is one of a lot of people love that. So that's what we have on the quarter panels in the trunk. Also, one of the biggest things on this car that no one in the world has ever done. You guys take a look. This was all custom made to fit like OEM. Okay, nobody can do this. We're the only ones that have done this. And also now the client has mirrors when he wants to look. Of course, everything lights up. And the most important thing is there's no codes on the car. So a lot of electrical work, a lot of custom work. And then you also have you have two mirrors that go down, just in case if two people want to sit in the back, they can see what they're doing. And then it goes right up like this, clicks up, you're good to go. Let's take a look at the outside. Oh, fuck. You guys can see how clean the car came out. Also, the car has complete PPF for protection. We also did a beautiful stripe on the side too. We have the emblems all in black. We also have the front Maybach emblem done in black as well. The complete nose is blacked out, looks really good. All done in the front. And only thing that we did is we kept the original Maybach wheels that the car came with. Client personal preference, so that's what we did. Other than that, the car looks amazing. It looks like paint job, you can't even tell. That's it, customer's super happy. We have number 2 coming, and let's see how that one's gonna be.
All right, 2013 Nissan 370Z we have here, and this car unfortunately has been stolen and recovered. Customer called us, brought it in. Funny enough, I don't know if you guys have seen that video online, it kind of went viral, but he like slammed with his arm when the drivers were trying to steal it, tried to stop them, jumped on the car. It was wild. This car came in, they found it the next day, smashed all the windows, and this part's bad. This part is bad. Let me just show you guys what they did here. The forbidden chocolate milk. They poured coolant in the engine, so it's like destroyed. And insurance knows about this. It is an insurance claim, so not much hope for this vehicle. It's unfortunate, but they really love the car, but I don't think it's gonna last much longer. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, hopefully they can get a new one, you know.
So I thought.
Lie down.
All right, so a lot of the stuff on this car is completed, you guys. I know it looks incomplete. If you guys see this car, you'll feel like it's incomplete in a lot of different areas, but a lot of the important stuff has been done. Complete mechanical from bottom to up has been done. Front to back, everything has been replaced mechanically, suspension wise. So now we are moving heavily towards the body stuff. We're going to start to fabricate a lot of the things on this car and make this C63 into one of the most insane C63s in the world. So this is a big project. Stay tuned and you'll have a lot of updates as we move along. Fuck. Ta madre. There you have it. It's ready.
What car is this?
Es un Porsche.
Porsche.
Yeah. No, this is a Ferrari. Purosangue.
Purosangue.
No, Purosangue. Sangue. This one is the best body kit ever installed. It's on one man. When they shoot the clear, you're gonna see the difference between this one. Take a picture, and then
These are big.
and then when they shoot the clear, you take a picture again. You see the difference between this and the other one. So this one's gonna be this one's gonna be matte clear.
Like this.
Yes, matte. So you have to use a couple parts. For example, this one is going right here. You see, but this one go over the body, the flare. So you just need to remove couple parts, install the flare, and then this one go over the flare.
What has more parts, this or Mansory?
Well, between this one and the other one is almost similar. And then also this is the first one we made. This pieces over here, you see right here, it's something nice. I have to put the flare first, and then I go over with this. I just put it to figure out how the piece is going.
Flexible for carbon. And it also creaks. Ferrari.
Yeah, but
Okay, what about the reflector? Does it have a plug? Yes, you need.
unit.
Yeah, but it has a plug.
Air, right? Air.
Error.
For air.
Error.
Yeah.
Error. A-I-R. Error. This kit is entirely made of carbon fiber. There's no fiberglass parts. There's no plastic. It's literally entirely made out of carbon fiber. Even the parts that are going to be body colored is carbon fiber. As you can see, this is not forged. It's regular carbon because it's going to be painted. This is forged because it's going to be exposed. Well, the hood partially. We're going to leave all the other ones. As you can see, the rear flare replacement is on there now. So this matches like the factory one. Believe it or not, this is not even the only piece on the back. There's another piece that goes entirely under it. There's a trunk spoiler, much bigger. Looks incredible, actually. There's the diffuser that we're gonna kind of gently put on there. I mean, look at that. It's like a double stack diffuser. This is insane. I could already see the color theme. It's gonna look insane. Super excited about this one. We apparently have our second one in the mix already, possibly coming in a few weeks. But I have a lot of work to do on this too, so stay tuned. We also have a Mansory Cullinan that we're working on. We have a Mansory Phantom we're working on. We're also working on a lot of body shop stuff. As usual, RDB is jam-packed with custom work. We have 2 URUS SCs, wide bodies that we're doing. I keep forgetting how much stuff there is, but yeah, excited about this one. This one's a big one, so stay tuned.
All right, you guys, we have a 2024 Maybach here. As you guys can see, we have a brand new style coming out. So we are going to do the fronts in this kind of fitment, and we're gonna do the rears like this. So this is like a new trend coming. Just kidding, it's not a new trend. Customer hit a pothole, right front wheel hit a pothole. He damaged it very, very bad. And besides it leaking from the lip, it's a 3-piece wheel, so it's also leaking from the screws. He had unfortunately broke 3 screws on the wheel, so we're gonna have to take everything out, reseal everything, put it back together, straighten the wheel, and get a new tire and put it back on. So that's basically about it for this one. And Lewis is in the back screaming because it's a zoo over here. Where is the torch? Right? Yeah. So, Jesus Christ.
How you call me?
How you call me? Take it to the left.
Javier took it.